Hi everyone, we're here at Sonia's Sweet Inspiration and joining me is Sonia, and she's a great baker of fine desserts. Let's tell everyone you have a new location. Let's tell them what the difference is between the old location and the new one.
First difference that we have is the seating. Yeah, now you can come here and have a pastry, a cup of coffee, that we have that right now also, and just relax and enjoy.
I know you're well known for your gourmet cupcakes.
Pretty much every day we have 30, 35 different flavors, all gourmet cupcakes.
Now, let's talk about some of the pastries that you make.
Almond cloud, that is the most popular we have, but now we're gonna have fruit tarts, flans that you can just come and have in here, like all the pound cakes, the Dubai chocolate croissant. Is a lot of new things that we have that we did have before, but was just custom order, and now they can just come here and grab and take home or just sit over here and eat in here.
Sonia, all the desserts you make here, you make them from scratch.
Yes, everything is made from 100% from scratch. And we try to use the fresh ingredients, all the fillings that we use, like the fruit fillings, we use fresh fruit that we cook. We make compote. Our salted caramel, we make from scratch for the cupcakes. Pastry cream, we made them from scratch for cupcake or for cake fillings. It's pretty much everything, cheesecakes, even the cheesecake that we use for our cupcakes is made from scratch. We try to avoid artificial ingredients, anything like that. I try to avoid as much as possible.
And you have so much more room here.
We do have a lot more room. So yeah, it's so much brighter and I love it. I just love it here, yeah. We have a lot more room to create and to make things even better than it was before.
How much time in advance do people need to order cupcakes, cakes, wedding cakes?
Cakes, wedding cakes, it depends on the time of the year. It could be 2 weeks to a month, or sometimes 2 months we're booked. So, so it depends on the time of the year. Cupcakes, if it's our regular flavors that we have, they can order at any time because we have every day, so we make them fresh every day.
Yeah, I think people need to realize you make everything from scratch.
Right,
here.
we make everything from scratch right here. We don't bring anything from outside, everything made in here.
Sonia, let's talk about wedding cakes and party cakes. You have the ability to design almost anything, any theme.
Yeah, we love to create things. So like a bride or anybody come here with an idea, and we try to bring that to life. Like sometimes they have their mind set for something, they bring a picture for us to try to reproduce, and we do that. But yeah, we create anything, pretty much. Anything that you can think of it, we do in a cake form, like shoes, pocketbooks, cars, like pretty much anything that you can think of it, we can make that on a cake form.
And you also do mini bars for desserts.
Yes, we do like a dessert table, like a lot of the weddings, or a sweet 16 party, for example, they have a lot of the dessert table. So we do miniature, like cream puffs, eclairs, little shooters. We can also do a cookie table. It's like a gigantic variety of different cookies in one table. That's really cool also.
What are the hours that you're open?
Well, we open from 10 to 3, Tuesday through Saturday.
Let's remind everybody where you're located.
The new address is 110 North 9th Street, Stroudsburg, PA. You can also go to our website, soniasweetinspirations.com, for more info.